Hey there! Welcome to another PhilSocial tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to interact with your feed and make the most of your experience. Your feed is divided into 3 sections, each designed to bring you the most relevant content. Trending now. This is where you'll find the hottest content on PhilSocial. These are the posts that have gained the most engagement and interaction across the platform. For you, a personalized feed built just for you. PhilSocial's AI learns from your interests and engagement to deliver content that matches your preferences, ensuring you always see posts that resonate with you. Following. This is where you'll find posts exclusively from the people you follow. Whether it's friends, creators, or communities you love, this tab keeps you connected to your inner circle. Now that you know how to explore your feed, let's talk about how to create your own content. To create a post, tap the plus button at the bottom of your screen and select Create a Post. Add a caption, upload a photo or video, or capture something in real time. Then hit Post. To share a story, tap the plus button and select Create a Story. Your story will be visible to your followers for 24 hours, keeping them updated with your latest moments. And that's it. You're now ready to navigate, engage, and share on PhilSocial. Thanks for watching and enjoy the app.